Welcome back to the Weather Center. We had lots of sunshine across South Africa throughout Thursday, thanks to clear skies that dominated the weather in most areas. But we still had a bit of cloud creeping into parts of the southwest coastline as well as the east coast. In the Atlantic Ocean, we are looking at this cold front, which is going to brush across southwestern South Africa as we go through Friday night. Now, here's a quick overview of how things are going to look like for your Friday. It's going to be fine for the bulk of South Africa with warm afternoon temperatures forecast in most areas, but a bit of cloud will continue to hang around along the southwest coastline and parts of the south coast. The cloud should increase as this cold front makes it onto our shores. Now, KwaZulu-Natal stays with sunny skies for your Friday with comfortably warm temperatures forecast in most areas. It's going to be rather cold overnight, however, for Ladysmith and Newcastle with minimums below freezing. We are expecting clear skies to continue for much of the Eastern Cape. It's also going to be chilly tonight for the northern areas. A minimum of -3 is forecast for Aliwal North. We are expecting a high of around 22 for Port Elizabeth with just a few specks of cloud overhead. Similar weather for the south coast of the Western Cape where George will peak at around 19 degrees. Clear skies are forecast for the western areas of the Western Cape. Just a few specks of cloud around Cape Town and Hermanus, both peaking at around 18 degrees. It's going to be sunny for the Northern Cape with fairly warm temperatures for the northern sections. A high of 25 for Appington, cooler for the southern areas with a cold night forecast around Sutherland. It's also going to be cold tonight for much of the Free State. Minimums staying below freezing for most areas. A high of 18 is forecast for Bloemfontein. It's going to stay sunny across the northwest on Friday with temperatures peaking in the lower 20s for much of the province. We're expecting similar weather across the Limpopo province. A high of 21 for Polokwane. Musina and Palabora will stay at the 24-degree mark. We're expecting clear skies across Mpumalanga. A high of 24 as well for Mbombela. Cooler as we go towards the Highveld areas. In Gauteng, we are going to see clear skies once again with temperatures in the lower 20s for much of the province. Chilly once again in the evening for the southern parts with Vereeniging seeing a minimum of -2 on Friday morning. Light to moderate winds are forecast across much of South Africa for your Friday. Northeasterlies along the KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas. A bit of drizzle is forecast on Saturday around George, partly cloud and dry for Cape Town and Port Elizabeth, and it's going to be sunny for the rest of the country. A sunny Sunday is forecast for the bulk of South Africa. However, we could see a bit of rain around East London and Port Elizabeth.